Using all the Chemical Guys stuff that my wife and kids got me for Christmas. The Chemical Guys wash mitt, foam blaster gun, wheelie brush, honeydew foam wash. Yeah, look at this. Whew, she needs some attention. Let's get it. So connect it. Let's see. Usually I do the 2-bucket method with no with no spray foam. Dip, wash, rinse stuff. Normal. I like that way better than foam gunning and washing. Don't ask me why, but it's not. Maybe it feels rushed. I don't know, but it's like water spots. Like it left the bugs. I just wanted you guys to get a good review. Like, that comes off normally when I do the 2-bucket method. See, look at that. I'm gonna do a paint correction on it because I was talking about when I hit the fire hydrant here. So they repainted it. So I'm just gonna redo it and do the wheels too. But yeah. Here she is, sort of kind of cleaned up. It's more like I sprayed the dust off of it. But yeah, not a fan. Yeah, this side looks good because it's in the shade. So it'll look good at night, I guess. But yeah, there's the murdered out tail lights. I like it. On dark vehicles, I saw a dark Silverado the other day. It looked good, and I also seen a white one. White one just, I don't know, just looks off. But yeah. So if you guys have any questions, put it in the comments. Oh, there's the running boards I was talking about. See how they look. And you can actually slide them in more if you want, so you can get it to tuck under more. But I like it like that. And they're like sturdy. Yeah. Wranglers, Ultra Terrains. 275s, I think. Yeah. So I've had it a year. I mean, look at them. They're still knobby. And then that wheel spacer. So yeah, man, if you guys have any comments, let me know what you guys are going to do next to your rides, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.